Hello students, we are going to start a new chapter today, that is trigonometrical functions. Let's learn it with fun. Let's discuss about the quadrant first. Our Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants, where the first quadrant is like a public property which can be used by any of the trigonometrical ratios. And second quadrant is owned by sine brothers, that is sine and its reciprocal cosec. So the other trigonometrical ratios other than the sine and cosec have to pay some penalty if they come to sine's dominion, and the penalty is a negative sign. We will discuss this concept more elaborately, but before that let's see who is the owner of third and fourth quadrant. So the third quadrant is owned by tan brothers, that is tan and its reciprocal cot, and the fourth quadrant is owned by cos brothers, that is cos and its reciprocal sec. Here you can see in this chart, in the second quadrant, that is in the column of pi by 2 plus theta and pi minus theta, only sine values and cosec values are positive, otherwise all the other ratios are negative in sign. And similarly the other columns are also having the same rule. And one more thing you observe here, whenever you are getting an odd multiple of pi by 2 plus or minus some acute angle, then the ratios are getting changed, and in case of it is an even multiple of pi by 2 plus or minus some acute angle, then the ratios do not change. And there is a rule for this change. Sine will convert to cos, cos will convert to sine, and then tan will convert to cot, and cot will convert to tan, and cosec will convert to sec, and sec will convert to cosec. Let's take an example to make the concept clear. You have to find the value of tan 315 degree. So we can split the angle into 270 plus 45. What we have done, we have splitted the angle into some multiple of 90 degree, and the remaining acute angle part is the second part. And we have observed that it is an odd multiple of 90 degree. So tan will convert to cot, therefore it will be cot 45 degree. And since it is in the fourth quadrant, which is a dominion of cos and his brother sec, so tan have to pay some penalty for that, and the penalty is negative sign. So the answer should be minus cot 45 degree, which is nothing but minus 1. Now let's learn the other trigonometrical formulae with this beautiful song on trigonometry.
Hipparchus, father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle, alpha, beta, gamma, phi, psi, xi. Let's sing together so we can learn. First comes right-angled triangle, opposite to 90 degree, its hypotenuse. Opposite to reference angle is perpendicular, adjacent to reference angle is base. Some people have curly brown hair, turned permanently black.
Sin is P over H, cosine is B over H, tangent is B over B. Cosecant, second, cotangent, reciprocal of sine, cos, and tangent. Tan is sine over cos, cot is cos over sine. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. Oh, oh. Sec square A minus tan square A.
Cosec square A minus cot square A, both value is 1. These are derived from Pythagoras theorem.
It's an F compound angle, compound angle. Sine bracket A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos is sine B. Sine bracket A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos is sine B.
S means same, so same tan and sine ratio. Cos bracket A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine is sine B. Cos bracket A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Remember, C means change. Change and in cosine ratio. Tan bracket A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan bracket A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B.
Cot bracket A plus B is cot B cot A minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Cot bracket A minus B is cot B cot A plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A.
Tan bracket A plus B plus C is equals to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan A tan C. Remember, last angle at front in ratio cotangent. Na 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 na. It's enough. Multiple angle, multiple angle. Sine 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Also 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. Also 2 cos square A minus 1. Also 1 minus 2 sin square A. Also 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Tan to A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Cot to A is cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. Sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Tan 3A is equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. First of multiples, divide the angle by scalar of multiple angle. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Transformation of product and sum of angle. 2 sin A cos B is sin bracket A plus B plus sin bracket A minus B. 2 cos A sin B is sin bracket A plus B minus sin bracket A minus B. 2 cos A cos B is cos bracket A plus B plus cos bracket A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is cos bracket minus B minus cos bracket A plus B. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 times cos C minus D divided by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 times sin C minus D divided by 2. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 times cos C minus D divided by 2. Cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 times sin D minus D divided by 2. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.